Um, we can make sure na talagang iniba po namin, iba ang mararamdaman ninyo. Siguro, same level of giggle, pero iba po ang puso nito. Mas makaka-relate po kayo dito kasi mas close to home eh. Kasi tayo-tayo na to eh. Yes, I have seen the Korean adaptation of Dr. Foster. And well, yun nga, as we were explaining, iba po talaga yung puso nito, iba po talaga yung pagkakagawa namin, iba talaga yung atake ng Lexi. At first, it was a struggle, of course, medyo malayo ako dun sa character ni Lexi, pero with the guidance nga of my characters and co-actors, naabot namin yung goal namin. And makakaasa kayo na hindi po ito katulad ng mga napanood na ninyo noon. We can make sure na talagang iniba po namin, iba ang mararamdaman ninyo. Siguro, same level of giggle, pero iba po ang puso nito. Mas makaka-relate po kayo dito kasi mas close to home eh. Kasi tayo-tayo na to eh. So, ayun, guaranteed, iba po talaga ang portrayal ng Lexi Lucero kay Dakyong.
I'm happy Sue na hindi ko napanood both. The original, Dr. Foster, and World of... Hindi ko pinanood. Kaya sobrang ang fresh nito sa akin.
Nakaka-excite yung feeling na ganyan, na ito yung una mong mapapanood.
That's right. Ikaw yung unang labas mo, parang na-plastican ka agad lang. Parang,
talaga?
Oo. Parang siyempre siguro gigil na rin ako sa'yo or something. Thank you, Sue. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po. Thank you. I treat every project as a breakthrough na role talaga. Ang treatment ko sa bawat character po na ginagawa ko, pareho-pareho po talaga ng treatment. And I think na lahat din po ng mga projects na nagawa ko was of course, not only a stepping stone, but a step higher to something that I would want to achieve in the future. And I think this project is a big, big opportunity with our partners in View, of course, and Dreamscape and ABS-CBN. Medyo malaking hakbang po ito dun sa ladder, dun sa hagdan na sinasabi ko. So I think this is the biggest blessing. And I'm so grateful and thankful talaga na ako po yung napili nila to play Lexi. Binago din po ni Lexi ang buhay ko. Naiuwi ko po ang mga traits niya dito sa bahay. And hindi ko na siya makakalimutan ever. And hindi naman yung pagiging kabit, baka isipin nyo. Yun guys, kalma kayo dyan. Ayun na tayo eh. Hindi yon like her being idealistic, she's a go-getter eh, parang whatever she puts her mind into, nakukuha niya talaga, and she has the fire in her heart to get it, which can be dangerous also, of course. Kaya nga nagkaganon. Pero I think ito yung malaking blessing talaga po na natanggap ko. And I'm really grateful to have worked with everyone that I've worked with and to be working on this project also. Maraming salamat po. Okay, so Lexi, you are loved. Whatever you do, you're very smart, napakabuti mong tao. I just hope you make the right choices and that you see your worth more than you already do. Mas bigyan mo pa ng importansya yung sarili mo. At siguro, tumatalon na pusa, sorry. At siguro, mahalin mo pa yung sarili mo. Mas mahalin mo yung sarili mo kaysa sa mga tao sa paligid mo para hindi ka ma-lost. So, yun siguro yung magiging advice ko kay Lexi. And makinig ka sa magulang mo. Nako, advice ko sa lahat ng nanonood din, makinig po tayo sa mga magulang natin.